Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's see. It's a little past 7 right now. I wanted to wait until it was dark out, but I don't know if it's going to be. Nope, didn't think so. Oh well, I'll just go ahead. It didn't have to be dark, but I wanted to wait until it's dark to kind of, you know, let people see what it was like to play the original. Though, if you played this at night already, then you already know. So, but yeah, it was fun coming into town at night. I th- I think it would have been a little more interesting if there was actually real nightlife going on. But besides catching a few villagers out at in the dark, there wasn't really much to see. But I always liked how you know you never really felt alone in these games. Like no matter what time you got out, there was always somebody walking around. But yeah, I try to I did create the YouTube channel for this game. I mean this playthrough at least. But I wasn't able to verify the account, so I gotta wait and hopefully get my brother to help me. But other than that, I